Annyeonghaseyo, nanas apa?
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so you're busy preparing the foods.
Nana's birthday.
Aras. Okay, so I'm here to deliver. You have two sack of rice, 25 kilogram. Okay, and that is from Dongguraminim.
Dongguraminim, kamsamida.
Okay, continue. Bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jocelyn.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening.
Okay, so your bugas is late for delivery. Napamoy bugas o na? Wala na. So sakto no? You have 10 kilograms of rice from Tubunim.
Tubunim, kamsamida.
Okay, mana mo atog kuan? Mana mo sa study room? Padong pa mo mo adto. Okay. Aras. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye, kamsamida.